Hello, and welcome back to the Learning Patch. We are still in the month of June, which means that we're talking about dogs today, and we've been talking about Lady and the Tramp. Today we're going to show how math can relate to Lady and the Tramp. So let's show how Lady and the Tramp connects with math. So in Lady and the Tramp, we have a scene here where Tramp takes Lady to an Italian restaurant. And while they're there, the owners make some spaghetti for them. So today, we're going to be making some food for some special friends and using math to help make that. So let's watch the clip first.
Now, first we fix the table.
Here's your buns, Tony.
Okay, Bones. Bones! What's the matter for you, Joe? I break your face. Tonight, Butcher, he's get the best in the house.
Okay, Tony, you're the boss.
Now, tell me, what's your pleasure? A la carte? Dinner? Uh-huh. Okay. Hey, Joe. Butcher, he says he wants 2 spaghetti a speciale, heavy on the meatball.
Tony, dogs don't talk.
He's talking to me.
Okay, he's talking to you. You the boss. Mamma mia, mangiare che di avere siti.
Now, here you are, the best spaghetti in town.
That looked like such yummy spaghetti. So today, we're going to be chefs and learn some math at the same time. I actually have some special guests today. My 2 dog friends that are going to be our taste testers for our recipe. That's right, we're making a dog treat. So let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. All right, let's get started on our cooking here at Le Puppy Kitchen. All right, are you ready to start making some yummy dog food? Well, yummy for the dogs. Today we're making some dog ice cream treats, which won't taste as good if you're a person, but dogs will love it. All right, let's get started. So let's go ahead and get a bowl, and we're going to use chicken and plain yogurt and peanut butter. Not really ingredients that you mix together for people. So let's see how math, cooking, and Lady and the Tramp go together. So we need 1 can of chicken. So I'm looking here. This is the right size amount. Ooh, I got double. I think I might double the recipe. So that means we're going to have to change the ingredient amount to twice as much. So it says 1 5-ounce can of chicken. This is actually 9.75, so that's almost double. So I'm just going to dump it in. So there we go, we got our chicken. And then we're going to add our peanut butter. So our recipe calls for 1/4 or 1/4 cup of peanut butter. But I need to double it. So what is 1/4 and 1/4? Instead of having to use a 1/4 cup twice, what could I do instead? Let's add 1/4 and 1/4 together. When you add fractions, you only add the top. So I don't add 4 plus 4, I only add the 1 plus 1. So 1/4 plus 1/4 would make 2/4. So let's change 2/4 into a cup size that we have. So we have 1 cup and we have a 1/2 cup. How are we going to do that? Well, 2/4. Are there any numbers that go into both 2 and 4 that we can change to make it into another fraction? Well, let's see. 2 goes into 2 and 2 goes into 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. So if I divide, 2 times divided by 2 is 1. And 2 divided by 4 is 2. I get 1/2. So I'm going to need 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So I'm going to scoop it out and put it in my 1/2 cup. There we go. Oh, my dog friends are already wanting some food. I can hear them over there. Okay, so let's go ahead and scoop it out. And we're going to plop it right there. Ugh, peanut butter and chicken. What a lovely, lovely dish. All right. Next, what we're going to need is some yogurt. Now, my recipe calls for 2 cups of plain yogurt. Well, let's figure that out because we need to double it, remember? So what is 2 times 2? We divided, we had 2 divided by 4 equals 2. So what do you think the answer would be for 2 times 2? If you said 4, you're right. So let's go ahead and add our Greek yogurt, plain yogurt. And I'm going to need, I only have a 1 cup measure, so how many times should I use the 1 cup to make 4 cups? I'm going to need to use it 4 times. So let's go ahead and scoop out our yogurt. So let's get that in there. Now, peanut butter and yogurt wouldn't be so bad. That's about 1 cup. 1 cup. Two cups. All right. I didn't quite have 4 cups, but you know what? Sometimes when you're cooking, you have to just kind of roll with it. All right, I'm just going to scoop out what I can from these other ones. Should be close enough, and I think the dogs will like it anyway. All right, now we stir. Oh, yeah, I don't think I would want this, but the dogs definitely will. So these are going to be like ice cream treats for a dog. Okay, and then I'm going to put them in cupcake holders and stick them in the freezer. So that was cooking time here in the puppy kitchen. When the dog treats are all set, I will show you how much they love it. I might even have them lick the bowl. All right, so let's go ahead and get them finished, and then I'll show you how the dogs like them. Our dog ice cream is ready. Plus, we have these yummy dog pizzas. So let's go ahead and see how the dogs like it. Well, I hope you had a great time learning all about how math and Lady and the Tramp are connected, and watching my dog friends enjoy some tasty treats. I will definitely share the recipe so that you can make treats for your furry friends at home. All right, have a great rest of your day and keep learning.